weather is warming up and you are most likely already bringing out some of your warm weather clothing, including dresses and brighter tunics. Just the color palettes are changing, fabrics are changing, softening up, and your belt collection should as well. And so I wanted to show you some of these new metallic colors that we have that will also just spice up your wardrobe and bring it a little bit of freshness and newness to it. So first of all, why a wrap belt before we get into the colors? Well, a wrap belt will give you a waistline. It will also help your dress and your look just look more expensive. And it will also tie in the color so you can match your jewelry and your shoes and your handbags. So belts are for function, like creating a waistline, especially if you're like me and you don't necessarily have one, but also for fashion and bringing in a pop of color and just blending in your outfit to create this amazing look. So the belt colors that I have right now for spring that I think are super fabulous are this rose shimmer that I'm wearing. It is just this beautiful color that has like a sheer shine over it. It looks gorgeous with like an all white outfit or a dress or a tunic that has some of this color coming through it, even white. So it looks so pretty with anything white. Also, I have this truffle color. I've seen so many sandals recently in this color, so it's super great to just pair it together if you want to do a little bit of the matchy-matchy, which I think is always really classy. And we also have this gold mosaic that looks super pretty over a little black dress that you can wear out to a dinner date or out with girlfriends with your little black dress. It's super pretty. And so again, we have the rose shimmer, the silver shimmer, the truffle, and the gold mosaic. And I love this rose shimmer too. I think it's so pretty over like the corals that we have now on trend, and also matching it with your gold, with your rose gold jewelry looks super pretty. So again, wrap belts have the fashion and the function part of it. They help create a waistline, they help your outfit just look more expensive. You can pair them with a tunic, a dress, a skirt. I always love when my clients share photos where they're tucking in their shirt into a skirt and then wrapping it around. They just define their waist and they make that look more seamless. And I love also pairing a belt over anything that has elastic. Elastic just sometimes makes your outfit just look a little bit less expensive, less polished, and pairing a wrap belt over the elastic just makes it look so much more rich. And again, these metallics are just the best color combos to just kind of soften up and introduce some new metallics into your warm weather capsule collections. All right, anyway, hope you enjoy. We have these on sale for right now. Let me know which one is your favorite and let's get these into your wardrobe.